Hi, my name is Raquel Roman. I'm a natural beauty rose hair extension specialist, and welcome to my salon, Studio X Designs, and we're located in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. I have been doing hair behind the chairs for about 20 years now, and I have traveled teaching in different places and working in different hair shows, assisting in platforms for about 6 years. My favorite thing about working with clients is I love seeing their smile at the end of the service, at the end of their appointment, because I can see the feelings evolving from the moment they walk into the salon and from the moment they leave. Sometimes they don't feel confident and they come in a little bit like scared what's gonna happen. And then they come in, and as we place the row little by little, they start feeling the confidence and building up that great moment. From the moment they see in the mirror, they just give me that big smile. And this is when I know that I touch a little bit of their lives, bringing that boost of confidence. That moment is priceless. When you know that you transfer somebody's, not just the hair, but to touch their lives, it's just priceless to me. I always was proud of having thick hair and lots of hair. Until 16 years ago, I started losing my hair after having kids and going through hard times in life. And I noticed that my own hair was thinning out, was falling out, and I had some health issues that required surgery. I didn't feel confident anymore. My hair was always in a ponytail. I was trying to find a solution for my own hair. So as a hairdresser, I said, I'm gonna cut my hair. So I did cut my hair short, thinking that was gonna be the solution for it, but it really was not the answer. So that really hit me like a ton of bricks. So I started looking for a solution for my own problem. I started avoiding taking social media pictures. I didn't want to be that one in the front. I always was shy about my appearance and how I feel, how I look. And just the idea of that something can work for me gave me that sparkle that I can also find that solution for my own clients that have in my same situation. I started down the path of hair extensions because I was seriously looking for that solution on my hair and the possibility of helping and offering something different to my guests. It got me really engaged to that idea. And when I saw Natural Beauty Rose, I really went into it. I got myself into that stalker mode and I started just researching about them. And I just thought, is that too good to be truth? I mean, when I saw their pictures, their social media, and I started just investigating a little bit more and doing my homework about it, I just couldn't believe how beautiful and natural they look. So in that moment, I kind of asked myself, okay, what is the trick for this? It could be a filter. It could be something that they're not telling me, that it looks so beautiful, too good to be true naturally. I hesitated a little bit to reach out, but I was sold when I saw there was no filter involved. There was no catch behind it. It was simply a transparent training and education they offer me that made me click that link and subscribe to the program, educational program from DKW Styling Academy.